Which one is better, the ukulele or the guitar? In this video, I'm going to go over the pros of each one, and then I want you to decide which one is better. That was the ukulele. Let me grab the guitar. Now, this is a guitar. I actually did the same song in the same key on both instruments, but they sound different because of a bunch of different things. But let's talk about the pros of the guitar. First of all, this is an acoustic guitar I decided to use because I have an acoustic ukulele that I brought. But one is just the sound. I mean, the sound of such a great, big sound, whether you're using your fingers or your pick, whether you're strumming, do a little finger picking. And the guitar is such a great instrument because we have so many of the classic licks and songs that we have grown to love over the years have been written on a guitar. You got 6 strings, you got a longer scale length or a longer neck compared to the ukulele, so you have a great range for it. And again, it doesn't matter if you're doing strummings, chords, or some single notes, some blues, can do some finger picking whether you're using a pick or without. And guitars come in so many different sizes and wood combinations that there's one out there that will fit you. So those are the pros of the guitar. Let me grab the ukulele. The ukulele is such a great instrument. Ukulele, however you want to say it. The sound. Let's just start right there because this is what I first noticed with ukulele when I started playing and playing for other people is they just love the sound. It's such a happy instrument. I don't know why that is. Maybe it's because it reminds them of Hawaii and the islands and being on vacation. The other great thing, or another great thing, is the size of the ukulele. This is a tenor size. They get smaller to a concert and even down to soprano. So the size makes them really easy to hold, really easy to travel with, and they're a great instrument for not only beginners, but kids and the people of all ages. The size is one thing, and then just having 4 strings really makes a difference because right away, it's a little bit easier than the guitars. You can just get started with some simple chords. You can teach someone a real simple strum pattern. And they're on their way to playing an instrument. You're going to start to see ukuleles a lot more in schools as they're adapting them as the instrument that they're teaching to kids. Like the guitar, the ukulele comes in the different sizes, as I mentioned, but also a bunch of different wood combinations. Wood being the most popular because it's from Hawaii, but also spruce and cedar and mahogany and rosewood. So what do you think? I will need your help on this one. Leave a comment below. Is it the ukulele? Is it the guitar? Or is it both? I want you to let me know which one is better. If you like anything that I'm doing here, either on the ukulele or the guitar, we have instructional sites, ukelikeThePros.com, rocklikeThePros.com for that content. And then if you're interested, KoAloha ukulele, Taylor guitar, we carry them both at the TerryCarterMusicStore.com.